Welcome back to the Nova Airmada channel, to the usual suspects and to the newcomers. Today's aircraft is Donald Trump's personal Boeing 757-2J4ER airliner that has both been a passenger and a VIP aircraft since it was first built in the 1990s. This aircraft is powered by two Rolls Royce RB211 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 43,500 pounds force or 193 kilonewtons. As a normal passenger aircraft, this plane could have flown up to 239 people. However, in the VIP mode, this aircraft flies around 30 people in comfort. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 461 knots or 854 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 4,000 nautical miles or 7,300 kilometers with a standard payload. This aircraft was first acquired by Danish flag Sterling Airways on June 7th of 1991. This aircraft wore the red belly fuselage livery that Sterling had at the time. The first registration this aircraft had was Oscar Yankee Sierra Hotel Alpha. 3 years later, in 1994, the aircraft was acquired by Mexican Airline TAESA Airlines for a low-cost passenger service in and around Mexico. At this time, it had a white fuselage and yellow tail and was registered as X-Ray Alpha-Sierra Papa Golf. A year later, in 1995, the aircraft had been transitioned away from scheduled passenger service and began its service as a VIP aircraft for Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen and his Vulcan Northwest company. At this time, the aircraft gained a new livery and gained the registration of November 115 Foxtrot Sierra, before being re-registered again the next year as its current November 757 Alpha Foxtrot registration. Donald Trump acquired the aircraft from Paul Allen's Vulcan Aircraft Company in 2011 for his own use. The aircraft maintained its registration but did gain an earlier version of the current black, gold, and red livery. The aircraft was used extensively for Mr. Trump's presidential campaign and was placed in a storage when he won election in 2016. The aircraft was refurbished in 2021 with a slightly updated livery and a new interior, and has again been used for Mr. Trump's business and political flights around the country. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft released in 2023. As you can see here, this is one of 6 runs of production this aircraft has had in the Trump livery in both 1/400 and 1/200 scales. There has also been one run in 1/200 scale as a Sterling Airways 757. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. You've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.